Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones, hitting you with another one. I titled this one, "This is my last Tesla video for a while." And let me explain. Please do not comment until you watch this entire video. Let's get right to it. Tesla is running. It's having a good day. It's having actually a good week. Okay? I know this. I expected this, and I have the receipts. Okay, so I'm going to just fully lay out what I see and what I think about Tesla, and I'm not going to talk about Tesla for a while. But it's important that you get the whole story so you can see everything. Trust me, it will help you to make money with Tesla. All right, let's go. After hours, Tesla is up, let's say 5.5%. And you may say, yes, Larry, that looks good, but it makes what you say it sound bad. Let's continue. I'm going to continue to build more positive news about Tesla because I'm a Tesla bull. All right, let's go and let's look at this. Look at Tesla in the last month. The low for Tesla within the last couple of weeks was 101. Remember? Leave me a comment if I say it over and over and over and over again that there's a psychological support at $100. So what did it do? Bounced off that psychological support and bounced and went back up, right? Let's go back. And now we see that Tesla is up after hours to $151, right? So you're talking about a 50% bump, 50% in like 2 weeks. Right. I'm a Tesla bull because a lot of people think that Tesla is just a car company. It's not. Tesla is not. Tesla is a tech company and a car company. And the reason why I want you guys to know that is, how do we find the PE for Tesla? You can't compare it to a company like Ford, under 5 PE. You can't compare it to Ford or GM. And I've said this over and over again. I'm going to say it again because it's more than that. Now, also too, with Tesla, one of the biggest drags that was on Tesla was Elon Musk. So let's look at the PE of Tesla. You see that? The PE of Tesla is 44.5, let's say it, right? So let's go to, let's say, GM, right? What's the PE on GM? 6.16. You see the massive difference? So I'm going to be clear, and you can go back and watch every single video. You cannot compare Tesla to a regular car company. It's more than a car company. It's a car company / tech company. I don't care what some of these talking heads on TV say. That's why I'm a Tesla bull. Larry, why aren't you just jumping all in? I will explain why. As you can see here, the PE for GM, 6.16, right? But if you go back to Tesla, it's ridiculously high. Look at that. And so, Larry, what's the point of this? Where are we in the market, right? Where are we in the market? Where is the market going? So if we are going to be going into a earnings recession, then the only way to find out is we have to have earnings. The earnings that we're getting right now are from the end of last year. I think that we will have a little more data in the Q1 earnings, right? Q1 earnings won't be reported until January, February, March. That's one quarter. April is when we will get Q1 earnings. That's when I will see where I'm going to be buying Tesla myself, because I am not buying Tesla based on the price. And I'll say this again. I'm buying it based on the PE. I'm buying the evaluation, right? So, Larry, you missed out. No, At the end of this video, I'm going to leave a video in this box and a link in the description below. And for those of you that are new to the page, it is called the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge. In that, I've been doing $10 a day all of last year and this year, right? And this year, $20 a day. What is one of the stock that I'm in? Tesla. I also did an option play on Tesla, and I want to show you guys this. This person says, I respect you a lot, but this trade, you completely wrong, blah, 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 blah. But let's go down where it says, we believe you and we waited until it drops to 100. Number one, this is not Get Like Larry. You are responsible for your own trading, okay? I'm just respectfully, this gentleman was not belligerent or anything like that. You are responsible for your own trading. I bring you the information and I tell you what I'm going to do. You're responsible. So for anyone that is just only following my plays and waiting on me, I'm going to say this again. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But I have not changed course on what I am going to continue to share with you guys what I see and what I think. So let's go back to this. You came and, okay, though you bought this call without letting us know. You guys see that? You bought this call without letting us know. Well, that is not true. And this is no disrespect to you because you probably didn't watch the video. I have the receipts. Okay, let's go here. And as you could see, this was 2 days ago when I said this. I do believe that Tesla will run up this week. It's already up and it's going to continue to run up unless something happens, unless Elon does something stupid. It will probably continue to run up until earnings. What can you do? Simply buy the stock if you want to swing trade. If you feel like it's at the bottom, then you start to buy. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. You got to do your own due diligence. I'm going to probably do both. Buy a little just for a swing. But these are not my long-term buys. But I will most likely do an option on Tesla, make a little money, and then I'm back out. All right. So there's the receipt. What more can I say? I literally told you guys what I was doing with the option play, and a lot of you got into the option play before I did. I filmed this knowing I was going to do the option play just to feed the family first. I literally talked about the option play, missed some money. Some of you guys got in before I was able to. Please leave me a comment. And so I still stand behind my entire theory with Tesla. Now, I am also going to play this video that I'm going to beg you guys to watch.
Well, I think Elon Musk said this a few days ago on a Twitter Spaces that in the recessionary times, you want to get units out there in people's driveways. You want people to have the product because later they can upgrade to all kinds, full self-driving and other software add-ons. But you need to have them with the product. It's no different from Netflix announcing the good subscriber numbers last week. That's what got the street excited. They didn't care what plan that they were on. It's just getting the subs.
I understand. But there's two different things, right? Good for sales is not necessarily good for stock, right? If you do have to take a hit in margins to get more product out, ultimately that factors in and filters in to those important numbers.
Well, I think the folks that say that, Tesla should be valued like a GM, I think they sort of fail to grasp that. This is a massive company now. It's not the Tesla of a few years ago. And that brings certain advantages of free cash flow and operating margins and so forth. And they just have a lot to work with. So they can take a hit on gross margins this year if they can maintain their leadership, and I think that's what they are doing with the price cuts in China. And these are the right moves. These are the right moves. They'll be ahead when things turn around.
And so that is something else that's positive for Tesla. So I played that because I am a Tesla bull. I will have a lot of Tesla. As a matter of fact, I will have probably 6 figures in Tesla. So I'm very careful. So I know there's a lot of new traders that's on this page and you're getting emotion because you see it running. I want to be crystal clear with what I'm doing. Remember, what you do, don't say, oh, I waited. No, you're grown. I'm giving you the information. Now, for us to have these short-term pop-ups, I said this last weekend. Stocks with Josh and myself said that this was going to be a good period in the macro, okay, and short term rather, but long term that there was going to be a downturn, and so this is what I'm going to say. Tesla is doing good because Elon is focusing more on Tesla and not his other shiny toy. I said that once he comes back, it's going to start going up, right? Same thing happened to Facebook, Meta. He's coming back. He literally put out a letter saying we're coming back to the core consumer. And what happens? Things turn around. So Elon Musk is now focusing on the right thing. He wants more Teslas on the street. He's got the Cybertruck coming. He's lowering the price. You can get the tax credits, right? But there was still the margins are getting squeezed, right? So the margins are getting squeezed. So short term, good. Even long term, good. Is it a car company? No, it's more than that, right? Is it a technology company? No, it's more than that because it also sells cars. So I'm a Tesla bull. So what I want to say, what I see is it has really nothing to do with Tesla now now that Elon Musk is more focused. It has to do with the overall market. The overall market, if it comes down, if we enter into a deeper recession, if the S&P goes down to 30, 31, 32, you will not see a PE on Tesla at 44. You won't. It's going to come down. The price will come down. So that may be 6 months into the year. That may be 8 months into the year. Who knows? So all I'm saying is right now, I just swing Tesla. This has nothing to do with my dollar cost average, but I am going to put a lot of money in a Tesla. And if I'm going to put that kind of money in a Tesla, I'm going to buy it at the price that suits me. So please leave me a comment if you got into my Tesla option play or even if you just heard it, and understand the full length and breadth of what I'm saying concerning Tesla. I am a Tesla bull. I'll probably own more Tesla than most of the people that are leaving comments. And I will tell you that when I do start buying it, whether it's $200, I will let you know, or whether it's $95, I will let you know. It all depends on the earnings. Larry, do you know 100% without a shadow of a doubt that we're going into a deeper recession? No, I don't, and no one does. Larry, do you know for sure we're going into a earnings recession? No, I do not, but I do see it. Larry, do you know for sure that the Fed is only going to go 25 basis points next week on the Fed hike? No, I do not, but I have a plan. I shared it with you guys, and I'm not going to talk about Tesla for a little while now. I'm just going to report it because I want to give you the information. And because I gave you the information, now you are armed to make a decision that's best for you. So I am profiting off of Tesla short term, and I plan on profiting off of Tesla long term. Please let me know if you fully understand what I'm saying about Tesla, and if you heard me say that Tesla will probably run up, the market will probably run up, and that I talked about this play, all right? Make sure you check the links out below. Hopefully this helped you that made the comment. Thank you for being respectful. Hopefully this helps you. And make sure that those notifications are on, that you are catching everyone. And when I do a live, please make sure to go back and watch those lives too, because things happen in the morning before opening bell or the night prior, right? Live, love, laugh, learn, and earn. We'll see you later.